the set operation, we have a lots of sets. So we already learned about your universal set. Okay, so universal set and complementary set and union of the set and intersection of the sets and difference of two sets and symmetric difference of sets. Okay, now we are going to see about this topic alone. So we already know about your universal set. Universal set means it is the biggest set, okay, comparatively other set. Okay, it is a overall set comparatively other sets. So we already know about the universal set. What they mentioned, contain all the element of all the sets under the considerations, and it's usually denoted by U. Okay, it is denoted by U. We already learn about this. So complementary of the set. Complementary means the opposite of that set. For example, they given the diagram. Okay, for example, they given the diagram. This is a universal set. Okay, this is a full universal set. So I am taking, that's why they mention U in this place. Okay, that only they mention U in this place, because this overall box I am getting universal set. In this part I am taking A alone. So I am taking 1 point alone. Okay, this is my A set. So what is meant by complement? So what they mention? So I am taking A, right? So a complementary. So how we are writing your complementary means A dash. Okay, this is a complement. You should write like this. Complement means you should write like this. So the complement means the complement of that is A dash means except that A is a complement. Complement means complicated. Except that A. So how can I shade it? In this place A alone we are shaded, right? So except A means I am shading except A. Are you clear? So except A value, that's only they given. Okay, complementary of a set means you should write like this: A complement. It should be said that A complement. If you are having diagram like this means, so I am shading my A. This is a universal. U means universal set. I am shading my A. So A complement. Find out A complement means except that A means shaded part. Except that is shaded part. Balance part you should shade. That's it. Okay, that's only they given. For example, they given if in some wise, if union having all boys in a class, A in set boys who play cricket. Okay, so we have lots of people in your class, but particularly some people are playing cricket, right? Then complementary of the set A is A dash. So what is a complementary of the set A dash? So except that cricket player. Okay, so complementary means I need a except that a cricket player boys. Okay, that's only they given for this convenient they given. For example, by using the sum, if U equal to C D E F means it is a universal set, means overall. So particularly I am taking A, you are going to find out A dash. So I am neglecting. Okay, except this A dash means what? So I am having C. So except C, D, except D, G, except then J. So balance I am having E, F, H, I. So I am having E, F, H, I. This is a set. Okay, that's only the given. So answer also they directly given. How we are writing? Complement set is E, F, H, I. Okay. Then we are going to see about the union set. Union set we are using the two sets. Okay. So union means adding. Union means gathering. Union means adding. So but we didn't adding the numbers. We adding the elements. For example, it should be representing, because I mentioned two sets. By using the two sets, right? So how we are writing means, if I am having two sets, A and B. Okay, how we are using in union means I can write A union B. Union means U. Okay, so in this place this U. Universal set means we are using this U. Okay, but union means you are writing this. Now for example, I am having my A equal to set 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I am having B set equal to 3, 4, 5. So union is nothing but gathering. So you are writing A union B equal to 1, 2, 3 union of 3, 4, 5. So gathering the elements is a union, not only the addition. So 1, 2, 3. Again I am having a 3 in this place, but if it is come once means that is enough. We already know about the sets, right? You should write only one time alone. So next 4, then 5. Okay, I am gathering. Gathering means all the elements are I am gathering. That's only I am said add. Okay, but they given in by using the Venn diagram. So you are having a set like this, disjoint sets. Okay, you are having a set and B set. For example, this is my universal set. So I am having A set and B set. So I am going to union this. So it should be collaborate, adding this. That's only I am drawing like this. Okay. If they are having common elements, that's why we are representing in this place. What they mention x such that in A x, or in union they should be mention R. Wouldn't ignore this. They should. Union means in a words problem they mention R. Okay, union means R. Then intersection. Intersection is nothing but your common. I need a common element. That is my intersection. For example, taking the same example, I am going to intersect. So how I am mention the n symbolic representation is intersection. You should write like this. The set should be using this bracket alone. Don't use the square bracket. You should using this curly bracket. Okay, otherwise I should give a wrong alone. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then intersection means common. 3, 4, 5. Which one is a common? 1 is not in the set, 2 is not in the set, 3 alone I am having a common element. Okay, so I mention in this place. That's it. So that's only they mention in this part. The intersection of 2z. The intersection of 2z A and B is a set of all element common to both A and B. It's denoted A intersection. I said right. It should be denoted like this. And read how we are reading A intersection B. That's it. How it is represented? X in A and as well as the X in B. Means in this place you should mention. They should mention the and. Okay. In the union they mention R. Intersection they mention and. Okay. You should remember this. So intersection means they shaded in this place. Listen, this is my A, this is my B. I am having a 2z. Okay. So I am having a common part which place this. That's why they shaded in this place. Okay. That's it. So in your notes what they mention, A intersection A, the same only, right? So the finally I am getting A alone. A intersection null set is finally because nothing is a common. So obviously I am getting a null set. A intersection universal set. A intersection universal. The second element is a least value. Okay. This is a major part. If it is ஏல இருக்க எலமெண்ட்டோட தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், யூனிவர்சல் செட்டை கம்பேர் பண்ணுவோம். யூனிவர்சல் செட்டுன்றது வந்து ரொம்ப பெரிய செட் இல்லையா? ஸோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்க்கும்போது ஏல இருக்க ஒவ்வொரு எலமெண்ட்டும் யூனிட் செட்டில் இருக்கான்னு தான் நம்ம பார்க்க முடியும். அப்போ ஆப்வியஸ்லி எனக்கு வர ஆன்சர் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஏல வர ஆன்சராக தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே. தென் ஏ இன்டர்செக்ஷன் பி இந்த சப்செட் ஆஃப் A intersection B. So obviously I am getting an intersection of A intersection B means that should be subset of A. Obviously that should be intersection part means common part தானே, அது A செட்லேயே இருக்கும் இல்லையா? அப்போ ஏக்கு சப்செட்டாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரி A intersection B is a subset of B means it is a common for B set also. I can write like this. So A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Obviously common is a same alone. So that's why I can write a commutative property. We already know commutative A, B, B, A. We already know in addition, in subtraction, what they are using. The commutative property means ulta. We are writing vice versa. That's only they mention. The commutative property is satisfied for your intersection part. Okay.